So we are starting a case of mandible fracture. This patient met with an accident and he had a fracture over left mandibular angle region, which we are operating under local anesthesia and with sedation. This patient is of Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. So the whole procedure and the cost will be zero, and all the ward charges, surgery charges, and medications is included in that. So those patients who are the beneficiary of Ayushman Bharat Yojana can undergo their surgery under this. And we have made this. We will operate this case from intraoral approach, as patient is planning for one government exam and he don't want any scar over left side of the face. So we are planning to operate it under local anesthesia by intraoral approach.
Kinda tired trying at the same shit. Kinda tired trying to give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck.
So what is happening in these cases where they have mandibular angle fracture? Patient will not be able to close mouth. See, the fracture line is running in between the tooth. You can see one tooth is somewhat above that in compared to other tooth. So he is unable to close his mouth. So which will create difficulty during chewing. We are placing all those at its anatomical position, and then we will go for fixation of mandible by mini plates. Mini plates osteogenesis advantage of this, we don't have to put patient for long term intermaxillary fixation, or we have to tie both jaws with each other. In that case, patient will have only liquid diet, but in our such cases, patient can directly go for having semi-solid fluids and foodstuffs. So advantage over this, we can do it with the intraoral approach without any scar, and patient will be functionally active immediately after operation. So now we are starting it.
Said I've been running